Welcome to M365 Professional. Work is different now. We are commuting less virtually, meeting more. Separating work life and life. Life can feel challenging. It's easy to forget that. To thrive at work, we need to take care of ourselves. Microsoft Viva Insights offers new experiences to balance productivity and well-being. Personal insights help you stay at your best and most productive. Add structure to your remote workday by opting for a virtual commute. Carving out time to have a productive start in the morning and mindfully disconnect in the evening. Protect time before your calendar fills up. For focused work coaching and learning, take regular mental breaks with Headspace, tapping into dedicated moments of mindfulness. Use emotional check-ins to tune into your day-to-day mindset and well-being. Strengthen team bonds with stay-connected experiences that prompt you to praise collaborators. Schedule one-on-ones and follow up on pending commitments and outstanding tasks. Insights for managers and leaders offer windows into how work happens and the impact on employee well-being. Identify where teams may be isolated and take action to break down silos. Quickly, discover opportunities to prevent burnout. Promote coaching and development and boost engagement. You and your team's well-being is important, especially in times of change. Taking care of one another allows you to thrive and your organization to build resilience. Experience how new well-being insights in Viva can help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.